Morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and fine. So today we are moving on towards the next topic in our chapter geometry, and that is construction of circles. Earlier we have studied about the circle, what is the circumference, what is radius, what is diameter. Now actually we are going to perform that how through the radius of the circle we can draw the circle or we can construct the circle. For this we are using here this compass. This is known as compass. This you will find in the geometry box, or this you can say roundel also. So I have tied a pencil here and I have tied like this. Okay. Now we are going to construct the circle. So here I am taking two radius, different radius. This is radius 3 cm and this is radius 5 cm. Let us understand how to construct the circle of radius 3 cm. For this we have to draw a line segment of 3 cm first. So earlier we have studied that at the starting point of the ruler and at 3 we are going to make 2 points and then we are going to join these 2 points. This will be a line segment of 3 cm and it is called as the radius of our circle. Okay, radius equals to 3 cm. Now what I have to do, I have to pick this compass or rounder, and both the tips of pencil and the rounder should be equal, no up and down in this. Now I have to put it at one end of the line segment of 3 cm and I have to stretch the pencil up to 3 cm. Now what I am going to do is just I have to rotate the pencil. Okay, there will be no disturbance because this tip is constantly here and we have to rotate only this pencil. So now it is a circle of 3 cm. We can name the center of the circle as O, and this is called as the circumference of the circle. At this point, when we join any line through the center, it is called as radius, and here we can put the name as P. So OP is the radius of the circle. My dear friends, all the radii of a circle are equal in length. If I draw a line from here to here, from the center to any point on the circumference, see, it is also the 3 cm. All the radius are equal always. So if I name it Q, so OQ is equal to OP. And if I stretch this line, so this is called as the diameter of the circle, PR. It is the diameter of the circle and it must be of length 6 cm. We can measure also, see, 6 cm. 6 cm means the diameter of the circle is just double the radius. That's why we use the formula as D is equal to 2 multiplied by R. Okay, and radius is just the half of the diameter. Radius is just the half of the diameter, and half of anything is divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 will give us 3 cm, and diameter is the longest chord of the circle. And if I make any line joining the two end points, joining the 2 points on the circumference of circle, but it not include the center of the circle, then it is a normal chord of the circle. AB is the chord of the circle, but the longest chord is, you can see, diameter. And there can be multiple diameter in a circle, क्योंकि हम इसको भी ऐसे बना सकते हैं, that will also be the diameter. यहाँ से इसको connect कर दें, बस center आना चाहिए, तो that will be the also the diameter of the circle. There can be various diameter in the circle. Now एक बार और अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं अच्छे से 5 cm रेडियस का सर्कल. सो हियर आई विल मेक अ लाइन सेगमेंट ऑफ 5 cm first. This is my line segment of 5 cm. Means my radius of the circle will be 5 cm. And now I will put this at one point and I will stretch my pencil up to 5 cm length. Now I just have to rotate the pencil, and one end is constantly here only, and I am rotating the pencil, and this is my circle of 5 cm. And you know, very interesting thing, that the diameter will be just double. It is 10 cm. See, 0 से 10. So my diameter is 10 cm here, and it is the longest chord. Okay, and if I draw any line from the center of the circle to the circumference of the circle, it will also be the radius, and it will also be the 5 centimeter. Okay, so radius 1, radius 2, there are different radius, but the length of all the radius should be same, 5 centimeter. Okay, so I hope you understood it well, and you will also practice at home. Bye bye, have a nice day.